Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to upload files on your Wix blog. Let's get started. On the post editor, go to the plus button and click on File. If you haven't uploaded your files yet, click on Upload Media and upload it from your computer. Select all the files you want to upload and click on Open and wait for them to finish uploading. Once you're done uploading them, you'll be able to find them under Site Files. Select the file you wish to add to your blog post and simply click on Add to Page here. And it should successfully be added to your blog post. And that's it. That's how you add files to your blog posts. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.